Hey, what's happening? In this video, I want to share with my newbies in real estate 3 things that you can do to help propel or position you in the first quarter over the next 90 days to have measurable success in your real estate business. If you're like me, when you started in real estate, you have questions. How do I grow my business? How do I be successful? How do I get the results that some of the other more experienced agents in the office? Well, what I'm doing is over the next 12 months, I'm going to be sharing specific things that top producers do and then what I've done in being in real estate to take my business to the next level. And here are 3 things that you can do over the next 90 days. Number one is that you have to prospect yourself more than you market yourself, prospecting more than marketing. The second thing is that you want to follow up consistently. There's a fortune in our follow up. The third thing that you want to do is you want to serve first and then you want to sell second, right? You want to serve. So you prospect before you market, you consistently follow up because there is a fortune in follow up. And then the third thing you want to do is you want to serve first before you sell. So let's break it down. So the first thing is prospecting. Prospecting, prospecting is more important than marketing if you're either number one, new in real estate, or number two, you're looking to relaunch your business or to have a greater level of success. It's prospecting over marketing. Now, I'm not saying that you don't do marketing. What I'm saying is invest more time in the prospecting side of your business than you are in the marketing side of your business. So what does that look like? So prospecting is if in 2023, you on average prospect 2 hours a day, prospect 4 or more hours a day. Let me give you insight on my champions diet. I call it the champions diet. Is what I use. Years ago, I was selling real estate and I was traveling doing real estate training, and I wasn't focused on my real estate business. And then my real estate business virtually died. And I didn't know that I wasn't earning money in real estate because I was focused on doing the sales training, which was and getting paid very well. So I wasn't focused on my real estate business. My wife brought it to my attention. Hey, Rich, you realize it's been more than blank a number of months that you brought in a deal. I said, oh man, I didn't realize that. So then I shifted my focus. I looked at my real estate business. I dialed down the speaking and training aspect that I was doing at the time. And I focused on real estate business. My champion's diet is I'm in the office and I'm in the office by 9 a.m. Usually, typically for me, I'm in the office at 7:30. I'm going through my email the first 30 minutes or so of the day. 8 o'clock, I'm setting up my plan. 9 o'clock for me, I'm hitting the phones. Now, you may want to prospect other ways. You may want to prospect text message, social media, etc. For me, the phone was the way that I generated the most business and had the most of my success. So I'm in the office. Be in the office a minimum of 4 days a week. I know it's crazy, right? In real estate, as a realtor, you come and go as you want. No, be consistent. If you can do at least 3 days, be in the office 3 days a week by 9 a.m. Start making phone calls, start reaching out to your past clients, start reaching out to current clients, start reaching out to prospective clients. Prospect first. The first 90 days, spend more time prospecting than you do marketing. The second thing is consistently follow up. I'm telling you, friend, there is a fortune in your ability to consistently follow up. Why are deals lost in real estate? Because agents don't follow up. Why are deals lost in real estate? Because agents don't understand, they don't have a process in place. So you need to follow up. If you set an appointment and you go on that appointment, jot down some notes, and then establish the next step in the process. If I go look at a for sale by owner and I go through it and I set the appointment, I go look at the home, and then in about 10 or 15 minutes, I'm done looking at the house. I don't usually spend a lot of time when I'm looking at it for sale by owner. I'll talk about that later in another training. But so I'm leaving in 10 or 15 minutes. The first thing I'm doing is I'm making a documentation, and I already plan on when I'm going to follow up next. And I have 8 consistent activities to follow up on that appointment. So you have to consistently follow up. When you get up in the morning, before you brush your teeth, before you comb your hair, before you eat your breakfast, my mindset is I got to follow up on my business first. You have to follow up on your business. You have to complete circles. You have to complete tasks before you set another task, right? So that's the second thing is you got to follow up, be consistent about it. The third thing then is you must have a mindset that I'm going to serve first and then I'm going to sell second. I'm going to serve first and then I'm going to sell second. I'm going to provide value first. As a matter of fact, I'm going to provide you with so much value before you decide to hire me that you would have no other choice but to say, you know what, I want to work with him, right? Focus on being a person that makes an impact more than a person who is important. Impact over being important. Impact over being important. So those are the three quick suggestions that I make for any agent that's looking to grow his or her business. You're relaunching your business. You're just starting out in real estate, or maybe you've been in real estate 3 years and your business plateaued. And you want to start pushing to the next level. Prospect more than you market. Follow up consistently. And the third thing is have the mindset that I'm going to serve before I sell. Well, I hope this information helped you. I hope you found value in it. Hey, do us a favor. If you like this information, hit that subscribe button. And most importantly, hit that notification so that when we post videos, you get it. I'll see at the top because the bottom is just too crowded. Now, we never look down on anyone unless we're looking down to give them a hand up. Let's get it.